In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hashtags to your LinkedIn post in just a few seconds. Whether you're a LinkedIn newbie or a seasoned professional looking to enhance the reach of your posts, understanding how to effectively use hashtags can make a big difference. Let's jump right in and get started. First, go ahead and navigate to LinkedIn by heading to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the sign in screen. Here you have several options to access your account. You can choose to sign in using your Google or Apple accounts, or simply enter your email address and password. Pick whichever method is most convenient for you. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login. Typically this involves sending a code to your registered phone number. Be sure to have your phone within reach to confirm your identity swiftly and continue your login process. This extra security measure ensures your account is well protected against unauthorized access. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn profile's homepage. From here, directing your focus to the top of the page, look for the Start a Post option. You'll typically find this near the top of your feed, readily accessible for when inspiration strikes. Now that you've found where to create a post, begin drafting your content. Remember, LinkedIn is a professional network, so keep your post relevant and engaging to your audience. As you type out your content, think about the key topics or themes related to your post. These will guide your hashtag selections. To incorporate hashtags, simply type the hashtag symbol, that's the MALB, followed directly by the word or phrase you wish to use. Make sure not to include any spaces, as spaces will break up the hashtag. For example, if your post involves career growth advice, you might want to use hashtags like hashtag career advice or hashtag professional growth. You have the freedom to include hashtags either within the body of your post or neatly list them at the end. Both methods work, so experiment to see which format makes your post look more appealing and organized. Adding the right hashtags is crucial. They essentially act as search terms that improve the discoverability of your content on LinkedIn. By choosing relevant hashtags, your post is more likely to reach a wider audience who are interested in those specific topics. Once you're satisfied with your content and hashtags, the final step is to publish your post. Simply hit the post button and watch as your message, enhanced by strategic hashtags, is shared with the LinkedIn community. And there you have it. In just a matter of seconds, you've learned how to add hashtags to your LinkedIn post, enhancing its visibility and engagement potential. Remember that effective hashtag use can significantly expand the reach of your posts, connecting you with professionals who share your interests and expertise. Thanks for tuning in. Happy posting.